In this video, I'm going to be talking about Amazon FBA versus dropshipping. Which option should you choose if you're starting out your e-commerce journey? All the information in this video. Keep on watching. So you finally decided to start your e-commerce journey. Amazon FBA versus dropshipping, which one should you choose? We're going to be breaking down the 5 most important metrics that can help you make a decision. If this is the first time you watch a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal. I'm an Amazon Pro seller and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society Middle East. Make sure you hit subscribe if you want more information about selling on Amazon in the UAE. The 5 important metrics I'm going to be talking about, and they're going to be the basis of our comparison between Amazon FBA versus dropshipping: inventory, traffic, conversion rates, shipping or delivery, and fees. Before we get into all of that, let's talk a little bit what exactly is Amazon FBA and what exactly is dropshipping, if you don't really have an idea or if things might be a little bit unclear for you. So, Amazon FBA, well, basically you're selling on the Amazon platform in the UAE, yet you are opting for the FBA selling model, which means fulfillment by Amazon, which means that your products are going to be stored in the Amazon warehouse in the UAE, and when customers purchase your products on the Amazon website, I mean Amazon staff, warehouse staff, they pick, they pack, they deliver. Most importantly, they also take care of customer service for you. Anything related to customer service, they handle it as part of the FBA program. Well, what exactly is dropshipping then? Dropshipping is you selling products on your own website, and you don't even have these products in the UAE or in your warehouse or in your house, wherever you live. Whenever you have a confirmed order from a customer, so basically people log on to your website, they purchase a product which you have displayed on your website, you have a confirmed order, you have that money, you go onto your supplier's website, mostly people use AliExpress, you make an order for that product, and you add your customer's shipping information, so the AliExpress supplier sends the product directly to your customer. Basically, you don't have any inventory, you don't pay for that inventory before you actually make a sale. Now, you can do that manually, or you can do that using a system or a software, whatever you might call it, called Oberlo, which you add to your Shopify store, and it just basically does that automatically for you. However, that's the basic concept of what drop shipping means. Now, let's start with metric number 1, which should be probably obvious to you by now, which is inventory. For Amazon, for you to be able to go into the Amazon FBA model, selling model, yes, you do need to buy inventory upfront, and you're gonna have to pay for that inventory before you actually sell it. Why? Because the products have to be stored in the Amazon FBA warehouse in the UAE. You might be wondering, Crystal, can I do the drop shipping method but do it on Amazon? I'm going to explain to you if you can or you can't. However, you need to watch the video till the end. Now, back to the inventory. As you might have figured it out by now, drop shipping, you don't need to buy inventory. The inventory is with your manufacturer who actually manufactures these products, and as soon as you get a confirmed order, you just make the order and you send it directly to your customer. So that's the difference in inventory. Now, metric number 2, traffic. That's very important because, as you might imagine, a lot of retailers opt to open their own store, their own private branded stores in big malls, big shopping centers. Reason being, shopping centers are so much easier for customers. The parking space is already there, the maintenance is already there. Yes, of course, they're paying premium rent. However, some people are going to the shopping center or to the mall looking for something, and they just happen to stumble upon another store and might purchase from that store. That's the same exact concept when it comes to Amazon. When you are listing your products on Amazon using the FBA model, you are just basically using all the traffic that Amazon gets organically. According to similarweb.com, Amazon got last month around 21 million unique visits, which is a lot of traffic. And by you just being associated with Amazon and having your products on Amazon, you're gonna benefit from all that free traffic because you're not paying for it. It's basically just there. On your own website, if you choose to sell using the dropshipping model, you're gonna have to advertise because people aren't gonna find you. They're not gonna find you. They're not gonna find your website out of the millions of websites trying to sell the same exact products unless you advertise. I'm not saying you're not gonna advertise on Amazon.ae. However, it's different and you're gonna have to pay so much more in advertising when you do drop shipping, because unless you advertise, chances are people are not gonna find your website. So that's the main difference between traffic. Metric number 3, conversion rates, very congruent with the traffic. What is a conversion rate? For those of you that don't really know what a conversion rate is, the term conversion rate is generally used to signify the percentage of visitors that land on your website or a product page and complete any desired action. What might be the desired action? So basically, if you're an e-commerce seller, the desired action is for them to purchase a product. If you are a lawyer, a doctor, an accountant, the desired action might be for them to enter the contact you basically, or probably you would want them to download a free PDF so that you can have them in your mailing list and you can keep contacting them. So that's what a conversion rate is. What are the conversion rates? For regular e-commerce stores, conversion rates are between 1 and 2%, which is very low. So what does that mean? For every 100 customers that log into your website or just happen to come onto your e-commerce store, only 1 or 2 people are going to make a purchase. Versus Amazon, conversion rates on Amazon are notoriously high. For non-Prime members, so for regular visitors, it's 13%. Not only that, for Prime members, the conversion rate is 74%, which is a crazy amount. Moving on to metric number 4, shipping and delivery. Why is that very much linked to conversion rates? Because why do Prime members have such a high conversion rate? And why do Amazon keep pushing people to become Prime members? Basically, the Prime membership is, it's the loyalty program by Amazon. This week, Amazon put out an article saying that now they have 150 million Prime members worldwide, which is a crazy number. To become a Prime member, you can pay monthly in the UAE or you can pay around 170 dirhams a year. What does Prime membership have to do with delivery and shipping? Because as a Prime member, you get next day free delivery. Not free, but next day is more important. Because honestly, we've become so spoiled with the delivery system that when we order something online, we want it to be delivered next day or in a few days. And that's the main difference between selling on Amazon using the FBA program or dropshipping. Because if you're dropshipping and you're ordering products from outside of the UAE, mostly you're going to be ordering products from China. The delivery is going to take around 3 to 4 weeks, and that's being very positive about it. It might take a little bit longer. So that's one of the main perks of Amazon and selling through Amazon is giving customers what they like, which is next day delivery, and to become what is known as Prime eligible. So for people who are Prime members, for them to buy your products and get free next day delivery, you have to be enrolled in the FBA program, and that makes such a big difference for customers. Now, metric number 5, very important, we're going to be talking about fees. Definitely selling on Amazon using the FBA model, there's a lot of fees associated with that versus dropshipping. Dropshipping, absolutely no fees, because of course you're going to be paying for traffic, you're probably going to be paying for your payment gateway, all that stuff. However, you don't have to pay any commission fees or any referral fees because you're selling on your own website. Versus Amazon FBA model, you need to, because you're selling on the Amazon platform, one, you need to pay the referral fee, which is the percentage. It starts from 5 all the way up to 18%, depending on what category you're selling in. Number 2, you're going to have to pay the FBA fees, which start around 3.5 dirhams per product, all the way up to 20 dirhams, depending on the size and the weight of your product. And you also have to pay warehousing fees, which starts at 2 dirhams per month. So all these fees have to be included when you make a sale on Amazon. Now, what about the question that I asked myself in the beginning of the video? Can you use the drop shipping method on Amazon? The answer is no, for one simple reason. Amazon are not gonna like the fact that people are gonna have to wait 4 to 3 weeks in order for them to get their products. Drop shipping doesn't work on Amazon. Amazon is constantly making more and more and more terms of service in order to stop people from attempting to do drop shipping on the Amazon website. They ask you for invoices, they ask you for a lot of additional things just to make sure that you actually have your own inventory. So if you don't have products in the UAE, you're probably not going to be using the drop shipping method on Amazon. You might be able to use the FBM method, which means you have the product in your own store, in your own warehouse, in your home, and whenever somebody makes an order, you basically send that product, but that's within 2 to 3 days or 4 days or 5 days maximum, but not anywhere near how long it takes to do drop shipping. If you want to know more about FBM versus FBA, I did do a video about it. I'm gonna leave the link on the screen right here so you can watch it after you finish this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to learn how to sell successfully on Amazon using the FBA model or the FBM model, you'll find our free 45-minute training program in the description box below. I'll see you in a new video with so much more information. Bye for now.